Today I am going to explain you the letter to the editor. Letter to the editor is a very important and integral part of any English class. So for class 8 to 10 or even plus 2, letter to the editor comes. In the letter to the editor, first and foremost on the left hand side, we have to write the name of the religion. No, first and foremost we have to write the name of the newspaper. Okay, in the letter to the editor, The Hindu. In this letter to the editor, like we are focusing this. In this letter to the editor, we are focusing on the one and the other aspect. First and foremost, while writing to the letter to the editor, first and foremost we should write our address. Like you can say Mayank Sharma, house number 1670, sector 17, Kota. Fine. Up to here. In first three lines, here you can also write Jagadri, comma Jagadri, and you can write the pin code also 135003, Haryana. Got my point? This is the first. Firstly, you have to write your own address. In the second line, you have to write the date after leaving one line. Suppose 10, 10, 20, 20. Got it? Then you should write to which newspaper you are writing. The Hindu, Anna Selai Road, Chennai. Got it? This is the format. Firstly and foremostly your address, then date, then to the address to which you are sending. Then comes the subject. Then comes the subject. In the subject, you have to write the simmering tension affecting the progress of border areas. Okay, here the should be capital, S should be capital, A should be capital, A should be capital, border areas should be capital. Why these are capital? In order to give you the view that you want to score the high marks, and in order to make sure that your examiner should check it properly. So first your address, then the date, then the newspaper to whom you are writing. Okay, got it? Then the subject. Just below the subject, sir. Always remember, it should all come in one line. It should all follow a one line. It should not be like this and that. Okay, from the bottom left side of the this line you should not draw. I have just drawn this line in order to make sure that you should understand. Got my point? Then you should write 9. Subject के नीचे ही या one line leave you can or you cannot. Okay, one line. Sir, here you should write sir. I want to focus your kind attention towards a serious issue affecting our border villages. Affecting our border villages. थक तो नहीं है? Affecting our border villages. Got it? I want to focus your kind attention towards a issue affecting our border villages. In the recent times, the Chinese incursion to our territory has greatly jeopardized our development. We are living in a, you have to write a letter to the editor telling them you are living in a border area. And when you are living in a border area, your village is on the Indo-China frontier. So your village is getting affected. How it is getting affected? That I want to focus your kind attention towards a pertinent issue affecting our border villages. Fine. In recent times, the Chinese incursion to our territory has greatly jeopardized our development. Means what happening? Chinese is intruding to the Indian territory, and what they are doing? They are telling it is not India's territory, it is our territory. So what happened? We are greatly jeopardized. Jeopardized means greatly affecting in a negative way our development work. We are constantly living in a state of terror and intimidation. Terror means to tell somebody, hey, you, this is mine. This is called intimidation, means hector someone. Hey, you get lost. This is called intimidation. This is my place. This is my territory. This is my car. This is my school. Got it? Terror and intimidation. Fine. After that, you have to write even our boys who go for cattle grazing are captured and kidnapped by Chinese troops. Got it? That listen, Gorgeous. That our troops are there. See, I am living on a border area. I have cows, buffaloes. Not cows, buffaloes can't be there. I have sheep, yaks. I take those sheep, yaks for grazing to the hill areas where there are grassland. What happened when I go? The Chinese come. They intimidate me. They hector me. Hector means pushing. Like this. Hector. Hectored. Hectored me, and even our boys are kidnapped by the Chinese. Chinese tell you should first agree that this is our land, then only we will release your boy. This is the crux of the first paragraph. Crux means the main point. It is called as crux or gist. If I am telling you that what is the crux of the chapter or what is the gist of the chapter, you have to tell me like this. In the second paragraph, you should write, I want to convey to the government of India to the government of India that a major infrastructure INFRAS major infrastructure boost should be provided to our area. तब तो नहीं है लस्सी लुस्सी पूरी भी आ गई which is prone to
major infrastructure
area major infrastructure क्या लिखवाया मैंने क्या लिखे लगे
I want to convey that the government of India that in major infrastructure area
major infrastructure boost should be provided to our
boost area
boost 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 should be provided to our area. As our area is prone to earthquakes, prone hilly areas more earthquake comes. Earthquake you know na, but when earthquake comes,
तो इसका इस बात से रिलेशन है
when in the hilly areas the earthquake will come, then the roads which have been built they will get ruptured. So how they will travel?
नहीं चाइनीज उनके ऊपर वो करते हैं उनसे earthquake का क्या relation है?
If there is no roads in the hilly areas on the India side, then the China will come to our area and tell, see, this is China, this is India. See, on our area there is airports, there is train, there is metro, there is the complete synthesis of the roads. In your area there is not a development, so they will woo the citizens of Indian area to get their area merged in China. Got my point? If I am telling you that which country you will prefer to study, definitely America. Why? Because American studies are more advanced, more great, they provide more impetus to key skills. If you are going for mathematics in Arizona, mathematics is so high that even you can get $3 to $4 lakh equivalent to 90 to 1.2 crores rupees per month. So why you will suffer in India on 50,000? You will get 2 crores, right? Or not? So our area is prone to earthquakes and landslides. बस 2 मिनट. Got it or not? The basic amenities of life. Amenities you understand na? AMENITIES. Amenities means facilities. So the basic amenities of life. Basic amenities of life, potable water. Potable water, you know what is that? Clean drinking water, right? Potable water, comma, proper hygiene and sanitation, development of small scale and big scale industries,
development of
small scale and big scale industries,
सैनिट नहीं वापस बोलना है लाइन.
क्या तुम व्हाट यू हैव रिटन?
The basic amenities of life, potable water, proper hygiene and sanitation. आगे development of
स्मॉल एंड बिग स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज.
full stop के बाद है development.
हाँ, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ स्मॉल एंड बिग स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज. will lead to economical development in far-flung FAR far FLUNG flung and remote areas of
Economical development of far-flung.
and remote areas of
Far-flung.
FAR far hyphen flung. Flung means, you understand, like this, very far. Inaccessible, you know. Inaccessible means a place where you can't reach. Write down the spelling. INASSESSIBLE. Inaccessible.
Development of far-flung. आगे
And remote areas which are inaccessible during winter times. ठीक है. लास्ट पैराग्राफ.
which are inaccessible during rainy area.
Winter times. Last paragraph after leaving one line. I hope that you will give your kind and close attention to my recommendations. Recommendations, you know, RECOMMENDATIONS. My recommendations and suggestions.
Last paragraph में भी first form आएगी verb की.
है?
Last paragraph.
मैं ही लिख रहा हूँ ना, I.
तो नहीं present tense में चलेगा last
हाँ
paragraph.
हाँ. Recommendations and suggestions.
बाकी सारे past में.
हाँ हाँ, ये भी past में ही है, पर we are just telling everything will be in the past. Don't get confused. But here we are telling that you should pay attention. Okay na? I am the singular person, so that's why we are using singular. You got my point or not?
Otherwise बाकी सब में तो
हाँ.
past tense में हम चल रहे हैं.
Yes.
इसमें हम present.
Yes, yes. Recommendation and suggestions at the earliest. Because any delay can lead to catastrophe. CATASTROPHY can lead to catastrophe. CATASTROPHY. Thanking you, yours sincerely, XYZ.
Can lead to
Catastrophe. CATASTROPHY. Can lead to catastrophe. फिर thanking you one line छोड़ के. हाँ हाँ, thanking you.
हमारे वाले में करती नहीं.
चलो, then you put it. Thanking you. After leaving one line, you write yours sincerely.
लिखते नहीं.
No? Eh? In letter to the editor, you should write thanking you, yours sincerely. Yes. Okay.
Yours sincerely.
XYZ. Got it? Thank you very much. This was the format for the letter. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.